There's one thing I love about stone fruits in the summer, and it's that they can either go sweet or savory. And while I love a nice crisp or a crumble or a pie, there's something about the sweet and salty combo that just always wins in my book no matter what. So this is a roasted plum crostini with burrata and prosciutto, and it is truly a late summer delicacy. The plums get so delicious and like jammy and caramelized when you roast them with a little honey and thyme. And then when you pair them with the prosciutto, it's salty, and the burrata that's creamy. Oh my God, it's insane. The key is to use really good prosciutto, and it needs to be sliced really, really thin. And you have to make sure that your burrata is room temp so that it gets all nice and gooey and melty. So I like to place the prosciutto on top of the bread first to form a little barrier, and then the plums go on top of that so they don't make the bread soggy, and then the burrata goes on top of that. This would obviously make a great appetizer, but it's gonna be a nice little lunch for me. Little arugula salad, come on, does it get any better?